Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So all this was about the introduction of the lesson, right? So now we will see one by one about all rulers. Okay. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Rupani Zainab, can
Ma'am,
you just read this first paragraph about what the introduction I said you? Only those things are written in this paragraph. Can you read, beta? Independence Day. Yes. Am I audible, Rupani Zainab? Hello.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is replying?
Owen Fatima.
Yes, Owen Fatima. Can you revise this paragraph? What I देखो इस paragraph में whatever introduction I have given that is only mentioned. So can you just read this paragraph better?
Yes, ma'am. Independence Day was celebrated on 15th of August. Pratik saw the
Pratik.
national.
Pratik is a boy of your age. Okay. Very good.
Okay, ma'am. Pratik saw the national flag being unfurled at the Red Fort on his TV at home. He even saw different pictures of the Red Fort. The next day, Pratik asked his class teacher all about the Red Fort. His teacher downloaded pictures of Red Fort as well as pictures of other architecture movements from the internet and showed them to the students. While showing them the pictures, the teacher told them that those movements
Moments
were
नहीं
constructed.
monuments. Monuments. Movements नहीं. Movements and monuments is a vast difference, beta. It's monuments. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Those monuments were constructed during the Mughal period. She decided to tell them all about the Mughal rule.
Very good. Sarah.
Ru-
Sarah.
Ma'am, I read.
Wait a minute. Sarah is audible. Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Your problem is solved, beta.
Yes, ma'am. From few days it's not happening.
Okay. Very good. Chalo. So uh, answer the questions if I ask. Okay. Okay. So in
Okay,
the
ma'am.
first paragraph, as you saw, that about Red Fort introduction was given by his teacher. Pratik's teacher was introducing him about the Red Fort. Okay. Apart from the Red Fort, the teacher downloaded few more pictures with the help of internet and saw the architectural monuments to the students. And while showing them, she also wanted to introduce about the monuments and the Mughal period, which we are going to learn in this lesson. A very interesting lesson in which we will see the rule of Babur to Humayun and Humayun to Shersha. And you know Shersha Suri के बारे में जब हम पढ़ेंगे तब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि शेरशाह वाज अ ग्रेट रिफॉर्मर. रिफॉर्मर मतलब के वो अच्छे रूलर तो थे पर उनके साथ साथ ही वाज he brought lot of reforms. Reforms matlab changes. Okay, he brought lot of changes in the society as well. He constructed new roads. He for the people and everyone, he brought many changes. So उसे रिफॉर्मर भी जाना जाता है हिस्ट्री में. शेरशाह is also known as a reformer also in the history. Is it clear? But first we
Ma'am,
learn
Shesha was male or female?
male. Okay. When a female character will come, I'll introduce. Right now हम बाबर के बारे में करेंगे, हुमायूं एंड शेरशाह. आज का टॉपिक हमारा ये तीन है. तो ऑल थ्री आर मेल. ओके. सो बेटा दिल्ली जो था was under rule of Ibrahim Lodi. ओके. एंड एट द सेम टाइम पे बाबर जो थे वो काबुल अफगानिस्तान पे रूल कर रहे थे. ओके. बाबर रूल्ड वेयर Kabul, Afghanistan. And Ibrahim Lodi ruled where? Ibrahim Lodi ruled where, beta?
Delhi.
Yes, he ruled Delhi, right? Now what happened, beta? Okay, at that time, Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty. Okay, Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty, and he attacked Delhi. Okay, where did he attack? He attacked Delhi in 1526. Okay, where Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur's well-equipped army. Okay, which had cannons. Okay, which had what, beta? Cannons. In the battle of Panipat, Ibrahim Lodi was now defeated. So who will come on the throne? Babur. Right? So after Babur came on the throne, the Sultanate age जो इब्राहिम लोडी की थी वो एंड आ गई. And there was a new establishment of which dynasty? Of the Mughal rule. Okay, Mughal rule की स्थापना हो चुकी थी now. Is it clear? Sultanate age had come to an end and the Mughal rule had started. Okay, so in the beginning the Mughals ruled near Delhi, but slowly and gradually they extended their empire. Is it clear? As Babur won many battles, right, as Babur won many battles, and his descendants, मतलब कि उनके जो descendants थे, gradually they extended the empire also, right? So slowly and gradually we will learn about all the incidents that occurred during Mughal age. Okay, पर बाबुल ने जो बाबुल बहुत कम टाइम पे 1527 he came on the throne, and in 1530 he died. Okay, in 1530 he died, and beta, at that time, in when he died in 1530, before that, उनके मरने से पहले उन्होंने बहुत सारे राज्य पे कब्जा कर लिया था. Understood? So it is said that after Babur, Humayun came on the throne. Okay, is it clear? So this was all introduction about Babur and how the Mughal dynasty came. Yes, understood? Understood, all of you? Still, you will understand in more better way because I'll do again and again revision of this. Okay? Yes, Sarah, can you revise this paragraph?
Delhi was under Ibrahim Lodi's rule during the time during that time, and Babur ruled in Kabul, Afghanistan.
Yes, so
Babur
who ruled
was
in Kabul? Who ruled in Kabul?
Babur.
And what was under control of Delhi at the same time? Who do rule
Ibrahim
Delhi? Yes,
Ibrahim Lodi.
yes. Zainab, who ruled? Babur ruled where?
Kabul,
Yes, Kabul where?
Afghanistan.
Yes, and at the same time, who ruled over Delhi?
Ibrahim Lodi.
Very good. Misbah, where did Babu rule? Where did Babu rule? Misbah, is she there?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, who ruled over Babu ruled where, beta?
Mughal dynasty.
हैं?
Kabul.
काबुल. Where did he rule? काबुल. अभी तक तो मुगल डायनेस्टी का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट नहीं हुआ है. ओके, अभी हम फर्स्ट लाइन में ही है. इज इट क्लियर, ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes.
Yes, yes. And who ruled over Delhi?
Ibrahim Lodi.
Yes, very good. Understood now the difference? Now Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty. As Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty, what did he do? He attacked whom? उन्होंने किस पे अटैक किया है?
Ibrahim Lodi.
Yes, why? Because he wanted to rule over Delhi, है ना? और उनके पास well equipped army थी. Right? So in the battle of Panipat, he defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Is it clear? Sarah? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Sarah,
Yes, yes,
continue.
Babur was the ruler of Mughal dynasty. He attacked Delhi in 1526 CE. Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur's well-equipped army, which had cannons, in the Battle of Panipat. This brought an end to the Sultanate age and the establishment of Mughal rule. In the beginning, the Mughals ruled near Delhi. Babur won many battles, and his descendants gradually extended the empire. Let us learn about the incidents that occurred during the Mughal age and know more about the administration and social life of that time.
Absolutely right. So now, as Babur won many battles, right, and his descendants gradually extended the empire. Now, let us learn about the more incidents that occurred during the Mughal age, right, and administration about the social life of that people. So, first of all, we will see about Babur. ओके सो बाबर की इस मेन इवेंट्स के बारे में ही हम लर्न करेंगे तो मेन इवेंट्स ऑफ बाबर वेर विच बेटा दैट फ्रॉम 1526 टू 1530 1513 में सारा बाबर इल हो गए थे बीमार हो गए थे और उनकी डेथ हो गई थी ओके तब तक 1530 तक उन्होंने बहुत सारी बैटल्स जीत के स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन बना लिया था अपना है ना सो दिल्ली एंड आगरा पे सो ही इमर्ज एज अ विक्टोरियस इन द मोस्ट ऑफ द बैटल्स और वो हर एक बैटल में विक्टोरियस भी हुए थे जीत भी गए थे इज इट क्लियर बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हाट ही डिड इज 1527 में बाबर ने राणा संघा को डिफीट किया था कानवा में किसको डिफीट किया था राणा संघा एट कानवा इज इट क्लियर Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, chalo. Yes, Sara, over to you.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
After
can I?
her, after her, beta.
Then can I
I
of the Mughal dynasty? Babur, 1526
girls,
to
please
1540.
pay attention. I'll be asking you cross questions. Okay? Yes,
In
beta. Continue.
1527 CE, he fought a battle with the brave Rana Sangha at Kanwa, in which Babur defeated him, as his army was equipped with cannons. In 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire and gain control over the area near Delhi and Agra. He emerged victorious in most of the battle.
Understood. Now, once I'll read. Okay? In 1527 CE, he fought a battle with a brave Rana Sangha at Kanwa, in which what happened, beta? Babu defeated him as his army was equipped with cannons. Okay, as his army was equipped with what, beta? Cannons. In 1530, then after 1530, Babur fell ill and died. He fought many battles to lay a strong foundation of Mughal Empire and gain control over the areas near Delhi and Agra. He emerged victorious in most of the battles. Is it clear, girls? Clear? Is it clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So after whom did Babu ruled where from in the first beta? बाबर पहले कहाँ राज बाबर रूल्ड वेयर
Afghanistan.
yes very good Kabul Afghanistan and after defeating whom he came on the throne of Delhi
Ibrahim Lodi.
very good Ibrahim Lodi right and in which year 1527 when was the battle fought with Rana Pratap Sangha in 1527 right in which who was victorious कौन जीता था उस बैटल में राणा संघा के साथ बैटल हुई थी
Babur.
वेरी गुड एंड व्हेन डिड ही डाई
1530.
1530.
एंड व्हाई डिड ही डाई
He fell ill.
yes absolutely right and before he died what did he do
He fought many battles.
yes
Lay a strong foundation of Mughal empires.
yes to gain control where beta
Delhi and Agra.
very good absolutely right Humera is present
Yes, ma'am.
yes Humera when did Babu die
1527 CE.
no beta when did he die I am asking
1530 CE.
Yes. And with whom he had fought battle in 1527?
Mm, Empire Mughal.
Humira, I want you to be more attentive. My question is in 1527, with whom Babur had fought a battle?
Ma'am, can I? Rana Sam.
Yeah. And at where? At which place? At which
Equipped with cannons.
at which place? At Kanwa, okay? Yes, Mahodesa. Sakina, who will answer me now if I ask questions?
Ma'am,
Sakina? Sakina is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sakina.
It's
Sakina,
Sakina.
which Sakina is present?
This one.
कौन कौन सी सकीना प्रेजेंट है? You know,
Rajani Sakina.
I have not taken today attendance, so you yourself say which Sakina is present. Rajani Sakina and
Rani Sakina.
Gabrani
Bhimani Sakina and
Sakina and
Rajan Sakina,
Bhimani Sakina.
Gabrani Sakina.
Oh my God, triplets are there, right? चलो पहले गबरानी सकीना आंसर देगी. गबरानी सकीना ready?
Yes.
Yes. So when was the battle fought with Rana Sangha बेटा? कौन से साल में? Bhimani Sakina in which year?
Ma'am, repeat the question.
In which year was the battle fought
Ma'am,
with Rana Sangha?
Ma'am, can I say Kasmani Fatima?
Wait, Kasmani. Yes, Bhimani Sakina, you say?
okay, ma'am. 1527 CE.
Very good. And when did Babu die?
1530 CE.
1527 में जो आपने बैटल बोली वो किन किन लोगों के बीच में हुई थी?
Rana Sangha and Babur.
And at which place?
Kanwa.
Who was the winner?
Babur.
Why?
His army occupied with cannons.
Very good. And before Babu died, what did he do?
He fought many battles and lay a strong foundation of the Mughal Empire and gained control at the areas near Delhi and Agra.
Very good. Very good. Yes, Kasmani. Where did Ibrahim Lodi rule, बेटा? कासमानी इब्राहिम लोडी कहाँ रूल करते थे?
Delhi.
Delhi. And with whom he had to who fought battle against him?
Babu.
Can I?
And Babu ruled at that time where? बाबुर
Can I?
कहाँ रूल बाबुर कहाँ रूल करते थे कासमानी? Yes, someone was saying, can I? Who is that? Can you give me answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is it?
Rupani Zainab.
हाँ बोलो रूपानी जैनब कहाँ पे रूल करते थे बाबुर उस टाइम पे जब इब्राहिम लोडी दिल्ली पे थे तब?
Afghanistan.
Kabul, Afghanistan. Absolutely right. All of you have given correct answers. Understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यस वेरी गुड. चलो नाउ बेटा अब हम हुमायूं के बारे में देखेंगे. हुमायूं जो थे वो 1530 पे आफ्टर बाबूज डेथ ही केम ऑन द थ्रोन. ओके. एंड नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज फादर्स विल, उनके फादर कौन थे? बाबर. ओके. उनके फादर के विल के हिसाब से हर एक भाई को, एवरी ब्रदर, म्यूट योर माइक्स व्हेन आई स्पीक. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू म्यूट योर माइक्स. Very good. Chalo. So according to his father's will, beta, what happened that Humayun had, each brother had an equal provinces. हर एक भाई को equal provinces उनके father ने will में लिख के दिया था. Right? So Humayun को कहाँ का मिला था? He got Delhi. Okay. But Humayun had to struggle a lot against his brothers Kamran and Afghans. Okay. उनके भाइयों के साथ उनको बहुत struggle करना पड़ा था. because some of the other reasons, right? Now Humayun was defeated twice by शेरशाह. शेरशाह जो थे उन्होंने हुमायूं को 2 बार दिल्ली में डिफीट कर दिया था. तो उनके डर से क्या हुआ था बेटा, हुमायूं को 15 साल तक 15 इयर्स तक भागना पड़ा था अपनी जान बचाने के लिए. टू सेव हिज लाइफ ही हैड टू रन at different places, escape at different places. But at this period of time, Akbar was born. Who was born? Akbar was born in the palace of Amarkot. Okay, and after that, Humayun regained the throne of Delhi from successor Sher Shah. Sher Shah ने उनको 2 बार हराया था, पर फिर भी उन्होंने थ्रोन रिगेन कर लिया था शेर शाह के बाद पास से, पर आफ्टर 15 years. Okay, clear? Understood? Still we'll understand in more detail. Okay. Yes, Almaz, read this para. Cross questions will be asked, girls. Cross questions will be asked, so please pay attention.
Humayun, 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556.
देखो
Humayun
यहाँ पे एंड क्यों है बीच में? रूपानी ज़ैनब सारा ऑल सकीना 1540 से 1555 में एंड क्यों है बीच में, बताए? क्योंकि वो 15 साल तक नहीं थे ना. समझ में आया? 40 से 55 कितना होता है? 15 years होता है ना.
Yes.
अंडरस्टूड. तो इट इज शोन दैट गैप. एंड क्यों है? क्योंकि 1555 में वो वापस आए. अंडरस्टूड. 15 साल वो भागते फिरे थे. शेरशाह ने उनको 2 बार हरा दिया था इसीलिए. अंडरस्टूड.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, continue, Almas.
Humayun ascended the throne of Delhi after Babur. According to his father's will, the kingdom was divided to each of his brothers, inherited one province. He retained Delhi. Humayun had a struggle, a lot of against his brother Kamran and Afghans. Humayun was defeated twice by Sher Shah and he had to escape for 15 years in order to save his life. During that time, Akbar was born in the palace of the king Amarkot. Humayun regained Delhi from the successors of Sher Shah.
Yes, understood till here, everyone?
Yes,
Understood?
ma'am.
This is all what I explained you. है ना? तो can you answer me? हुमेरा will answer me कि हुमायूं को किससे स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था?
His brother Kamran and Afghan.
हाँ. सारा काका ने. Which years did Humayun was on the throne?
No, from 1530 to 1540 and 1555 to 1556.
बीच में क्या डिफरेंस है? 1540 एंड क्यों दिया है सारा?
Because 15 years he was wandering because he lost 2 battles to Sher Shah.
Yes. And at that time, what had happened? During that time?
Emperor Akbar was born.
Okay. Bhimani Sakina, where was Akbar born? Bhimani Sakina,
Ma'am, repeat the question.
where was Akbar born?
At the
Akbar-
palace of King of Amarkot.
When was he born? He was born कौन से पीरियड में? जब हुमायूं भागते फिर रहे थे, है ना? 15 years तक, है ना?
Yes.
Yes. Rupani Zainab, Humayun ascended the throne after whom?
And can I?
Rupani Zainab, Humayun ascended the throne after?
Babur.
In which year? In which year?
1530.
Why in only in 1530? उस ईयर में क्या हुआ था?
Babur death.
Yes. And how did his father distribute the property? How did his father distribute the property? Each brothers inherited one province, right? Right or
Yes.
no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Understood everyone? Almas,
Yes.
कितने साल तक उनको छुपते फिरना पड़ा था? एस्केप हाउ मेनी इयर्स?
15 years.
15 years.
Why?
15 years.
Why? In order to
Because
save
his
his
life
life.
was in danger.
Better.
Yes. And उनको किन से स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था हुमायूं को? Almas?
His
Brother.
brothers Kamran and Afghans.
वेरी गुड. और कौन आंसर देना चाहेगा? अंडरस्टूड. चलो इतना समझ में आया
Yes.
बाबर और
Yes.
Yes.
हुमायूं का? समझ में आया? अभी ये जो अभी ये जो पीरियड है वो हम देखेंगे. मजा आ रहा है ना गर्ल्स?
Yes.
हाँ, अभी ये जो पीरियड है 1540 टू 1555 का पीरियड हम देखेंगे. इसमें कौन रूल कर रहा होगा? बोलो चलो.
Sher
Shersha.
ऑफ कोर्स शेरशाह. बिकॉज वाई शेरशाह?
Because they defeated Humayun.
हाँ,
was
ट्वाइस ही डिफीटेड हुमायूं. सो 1540 से 1555 का हम देखेंगे. कैन यू सी हियर? इज इट
Ma'am,
क्लियर?
I want to answer the questions.
Sorry, what is your name?
Owen Fatima.
Oh, Owen, I forgot to ask you questions. Okay, I'll ask you. I'll ask you from any of the para, okay, Owen?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And don't worry, Owen, आज नहीं आया तो फिर ये तो मैं पीछा नहीं छोड़ूंगी. मुगल एम्पायर तो आपको जान से याद करवा दूंगी, ठीक है? ओके. सो अब हम शेरशाह के बारे में देखेंगे. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि ही वॉज नोन एज अ रिफॉर्मर इन द हिस्ट्री, है ना? द मुगल डायनेस्टी आफ्टर शेरशाह, द मुगल डायनेस्टी, शेरशाह सूरी जो थे वो एक अफगान लीडर थे. ओके, ही वॉज एन अफगान लीडर. ओके. एंड वो कैसे लीडर थे कि जो अपने आप प्रोग्रेस हुए थे, उनको किसी का जरूरत नहीं पड़ा था. जैसे बाबर के बाद हुमायूं आए, हुमायूं ने अपने फादर का ही थ्रोन पे राज किया, ऐसा नहीं. ही सक्सीडेड हिमसेल्फ. शेरशाह वाज अ ग्रेट लीडर, है ना? और उन्होंने हुमायूं को 2 बार डिफीट किया और नई डायनेस्टी डेवलप की थी उनके ही नाम से, है ना? उनका जो नाम है सूरी, शेरशाह सूरी का जो नाम है सूरी, उसी नाम से उन्होंने डायनेस्टी डेवलप की थी जिसका नाम था सूर डायनेस्टी. ओके, he established Sur dynasty, okay, by defeating twice Humayun. Okay, and beta, after gaining control over Delhi, he fought many other battles also to extend his empire over Kabul, Bengal, and Malwa. Is it clear? You can see in this picture the photo of Shesha. You can see here Humayun and here Babur. Sorry, I forgot to show you at that time the pictures. Okay. Yes. Yes, Owen, read this paras about Shesha.
Okay, ma'am. Sher Shah Suri was an Afghan leader had progressed on his
Who had
own.
progressed? Was it me? Who had?
Who had progressed on his own. He defeated Humayun twice and therefore established the Sur dynasty in Delhi.
Continue. I explained already. Continue.
After gaining control over Delhi, he won many other important battles. He then extended his empire from Kabul, Bengal, and Malwa. He is known as a reformer in history. After
Shesha.
Sher Shah, the Mughal dynasty was re-established in Delhi.
Yes. Understood everyone till here? So now question time.
Yes.
Question time.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood about Shesha, Babur, Humayun, and then Shesha. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is known as the reformer in history?
Sher Shah.
Shesha is from which? Shesha developed which dynasty?
Sur.
Sur.
Okay, Sur dynasty. And he was which leader?
Afghan leader.
Very good,
Afghan leader.
very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. And after Shesha, which dynasty came? Which dynasty was re-established?
Mughal
Mughal
dynasty.
dynasty.
Mughal
वेरी
dynasty.
Mughal
गुड,
dynasty.
वेरी गुड। चलो, समझ में आया यहाँ तक सबको?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
भूलोगे नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
No.
No more.
पक्का? सो अच्छा, एक
Yes.
और क्वेश्चन रह गया था कि शेरशाह ने अपना एम्पायर कहाँ एक्सटेंड किया था बेटा?
Delhi.
Kabul, Bengal, and
Bengal to Malwa.
काबुल, काबुल टू बंगाल एंड
Kabul
मालवा।
to
हम्म? काबुल
Kabul,
टू
Kabul,
Bengal,
Bengal, and Malwa.
नहीं,
Bengal
काबुल
and
बंगाल नहीं, काबुल टू बंगाल।
Kabul to Bengal and Malwa.
Yes, very good. Chalo, everyone has understood all this topic which I explained you about the establishment of what beta?
Mughal
Mughal
Empire.
time. Mughal Empire.
Yes. Anam was there.
Mughal
Anam did
Empire.
answer any questions. Anam, सामने से बोलने का बेटा. You have to ask me, ma'am. I want to answer as well. Understood, no? But everyone, Sara,
Yes.
Zainab,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
अच्छा,
Yes,
ढोलिया
ma'am.
शिफा,
Yes.
ढोलिया शिफा, ढोलिया शिफा.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you listen me? Understood, beta? Understood, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Chalo. Any doubt till here? Anyone can ask me. Any doubt you have, beta?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear to all of you?
Yes.
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 So about बाबुर के बारे में कोई मुझे बोलना चाहेगा? बाबुर कौन थे? Who was he?
Can I?
Yes, say बेटा.
Babur was
बाबुर कौन थे? हम्म?
Babur was the ruler of Delhi. Kabul. Kabul.
Very good, very good. Chalo. So
Afghan.
everyone understood, no, till here?
Yes. Yes.
Any doubt you can ask me on the next class also, and anytime you can call me and ask me also, okay? But your doubt should be related to this chapter, okay?
Okay.
Chalo. Now today which exam you are having?
Science.
Oh wow, that's great.
Science.
Chalo. All of you, all the best. Do the revision properly and attend on time the exams, okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Bye, all of you.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you
Bye,
for
ma'am.
coming.
Bye,
Have a
Bye,
ma'am.
nice
ma'am.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Ruby, ma'am.
Bye, Ruby ma'am. Bye, Ruby ma'am.
Bye, beta. Actually, I was having another class, so I couldn't join you
Ma'am,
all.
I had sent the video you had messaged me.
Yes, yes, yes. Um, now I was wondering what to do after that.
Ma'am, send to our all class lockdown group. Everyone will know about it.
No, that is okay. That is how to do. But I have one idea that we will have some beautiful messages about 2020 and 21, and each one can have one message in their houses, holding their message and show it to everybody and say one line about that, and then each house we can connect. So something related to COVID
So that
last
idea you
year.
sent.
something related to COVID, and then this new year, hoping that this new year becomes really good for all of us. So, if you get some, say, 5 or 6, or even 7, 8 nice topics, I mean, some ideas about COVID, like what we should do and why we should stay safe, and then again, what you should expect in 2021 and all that, then everyone can hold one Xeroxed message in their hand, say something about it, and then each house the videos will be taken, and then we can connect it.
Yes,
Yes. And who's showing the screen, beta? Who's showing the screen?
Subran.
Hmm. So I think, if you can find something on that, then please let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Bye, girls. Bye, all of y'all. Stay safe.
Bye, ma'am, and have a nice day.
Bye,
You too
ma'am.
have a nice day. Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye.
Please stop the recording. Bye, all of you. Bye bye.
Bye.
बाय ये किसका
Bye.
बर्थडे जिस्सो का जिस्सू
ઉમેરા જીસનો બર્થડે છે.
ए हो मेरा भूमि
हाँ
आज ये तेरी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे लगता है चीना वाली फ्रेंड
चीना नहीं है वो.
जिस्सो कैसा नाम है जिस्सू कैसा नाम है जिस्सू बाय अलमास કોઈ રેકોર્ડિંગ તો સ્ટોપ કર્યો જ નહીં એ ઢોલિયા તને શું થઈ ગયું ઢોલ